Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can view the list of blocked pages in the TikTok application. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write comments after watching this video. So, let's get down to our today's topic. And first, open the app in TikTok on your device. Then at the bottom, go to your profile, and then in the upper right-hand corner, click on the three bars. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Here, you will need to go to the Privacy section. Then scroll to the very bottom, and as you can see at the very bottom, there's a section called Blocked Accounts. And if you go into them, you'll see the entire list of accounts that you've previously blocked. And in order to unblock them, you'll just have to click on the word unblock in front of the person's name. And that's it, the person will be instantly unblocked in the TikTok app. Friends, this is a very simple way to easily view the list of blocked pages in the TikTok app. I really hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please give your likes, comments, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.